I think patient safety is so important when considering breast augmentation. This really starts with the initial selection of implants itself. It starts with using companies that are tried and true, such as Mentor. It comes down to then the implant size that you choose for the anatomy of the patient, and then of course to the procedure itself. And then the last component of their safety goes down to that post-operative period and following all of their restrictions.
It is so important that to have a safe breast augmentation, you see a board-certified plastic surgeon. American Board of Plastic Surgery is the only governing and recognized board that certifies plastic surgeons. So you can take courses and these year programs where you can call yourself a cosmetic surgeon, but they do not do the extensive training that a board-certified plastic surgeon does. So for us in our training, we're doing 12, 14, 16 years of training, and that's the kind of excellence that you should expect when you're searching for a plastic surgeon.
I think when evaluating the type of implant types and procedure that are safe for patients, it's really number one important to evaluate their goals. However, also important to evaluate their anatomy and their medical history. So for example, if a patient has a very petite frame but wants to go really large in size, then that may not be very safe for them. And so you have to partner with the patient to come out with the actual procedure that may be able to get them there.
You know, in a breast augmentation, it's a fiery subject right now on social media. We hear a lot about it. So as a breast surgeon, we focus on all the things we can do in that operating room to reduce the risk of a unsavory result, of an outcome that's not favorable. And that would include all the things to reduce the bacterial load. There are a ton of things that we do today that we did not do in the past to help reduce any adverse event that would happen with breast augmentation. And if you do that, you can really reduce the risks or mitigate the risks of a breast augmentation significantly to just a couple percent.
Luckily, brands such as Mentor have such different implant profiles in their entire set of armamentarium that you could perhaps choose a more cohesive implant or a higher profile implant that may help the patient achieve a better look and goal without compromising their safety as well.